We are on our tour through Silicon Valley in 2018 to discover the latest trends when it comes to product design and UX development. And we want to share with you the 5 most interesting things that we found out over the last couple of days. First, ethics in UX. We've attended a workshop at Google a couple of days ago, and we were developing new kind of features and products for a company. And then one how might we question was something like, how can we create this product more addictive, or how can we use gamification? And a lot of the developers that were in our team were like, oh no, that's a big no-no at the moment, because creating an addictive product experience is something that creates a lot of pushback at the moment. So ethics in UX design seems to be a huge thing at the moment, where people try to figure out on how to win and engage customers, but not by creating too addictive experiences. Second, diversity. This time around, it seemed like the companies really embraced diversity. There was lots of talk about over the last couple of years when it comes to this, but this time it really showed in the products and the teams. And I'm not talking about different nationalities, I'm also talking about different expertises that came together, from opera singers, storytellers, comedians, neurosurgeons, but also a lot of people with scientific background. There were a lot of great and very interesting perspectives to user problems and solutions. Third, ideas are everywhere, but today it's all about the execution. So even if you discovered a relevant user problem and you have a great idea to solve it, it doesn't mean that you actually have a product idea that works. You have to find the form and the context that speaks to your user. Which brings me to fourth. Test before you go into development. We talked to a lot of startup founders, entrepreneurs, and team leads. And they basically told us the same story, that they went into solution mode in the beginning, directly into development, and then failed hard. And today, what they do is they prototype. They prototype everything before they put money, time, and resources behind it. So test and validate early. Fifth, stakeholder alignment is key. When we talk to product teams, one of the biggest obstacles when it comes to product development is actually team and stakeholder alignment, getting everybody on the same page. All of us like to start with solutions and creating great ideas, but we need to agree on the problem first, the problem from user perspective. So once you've did that, everything that follows will be much easier. So, to summarize what we've just talked about. First, ethics in UX. Second, diversity is key for effective and powerful teams. Third, it's not about idea, it's about the execution. Which is why, 4, you need to test and validate it early. And to be productive and effective as a team in a whole, you need to align your stakeholders. So stakeholder alignment is key. Hey, do you want to find out how to develop successful products faster? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, also to find out on how not to make YouTube videos.